So let's start. So I will start with the cuticles first. I will use the big cylinder bit just to clean up around Next one is gonna be small titanium, so everything is the same as per usual. And I will start to just go a little bit more detailed underneath my cuticles. Now I'm gonna take this bit and the soft sanding paper just to kind of mattify a little bit of that natural nail that it's just super close to the cuticle. Mini brush from Get Buffed. And just go a little bit around the cuticle area. And I will just clean a little bit here. Okay guys, I'll put just one more super ultra thin layer. Even though it's not needed, but just to make the color pop.